Hi guys, I know today is not like usual. Today it's only me and I'm talking in English because some didn't understand the previous ones. So now I'm trying to make everyone understand me. Please, please, please like and subscribe and please share with your friends. Even if you don't like it, just share. You know, to use. Anyway, I wanted to talk today about women. Women always complain about their men and why their man doesn't focus on them and why they always look at another person or another lady all the time. To be honest, I think some people say that men are animals, can't get enough with only one wife, they need more. I believe, yeah, men need more and they can get enough with only one girl. But that girl should be four. What I mean by that is, I mean that the girl should be dressed up in the morning away and another way in the afternoon and another way in the evening and another way when they go to sleep. Always women should put perfume on her. She always should look good for her husband. She have to do her hair. Also, Somali, they don't care about their hair anymore. They don't even go to salons anymore. Some of them, they can't afford going to the salon every week, yeah? Okay, don't go to the salon, just do it at home. But you need to take care of your hair. Men see hair as an important thing, so everyone should do that. And these are my advices. Take care, guys. Please like and subscribe.